GIMP is a free and open-source image editor packed with powerful features. In this video, I'll show you how to install it on Windows 10 so you can start creating and editing images right away. So, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type download GIMP and press enter. From search results, click the first result from gimp.org. That'll take you straight to the official GIMP downloads page. The website automatically detects your operating system, in my case, Windows. So I'll just click this orange download button right here. GIMP installer will now begin downloading. Wait for the download to finish. Once download is complete, open your downloads folder and locate the GIMP installer. Then, double-click on installer to launch the setup wizard. For the installation mode, I'll choose install for all users. I don't need any custom settings, so I'll simply click install. The installation is now running, just sit tight and let it finish. When installation is finished, a GIMP shortcut will be added to your desktop. If you'd like to open GIMP right away, check this box and click finish. Application may take a few moments to load the very first time. That's completely normal, so just be patient with it. Once GIMP opens, you'll see the main workspace where you can start creating graphics, editing photos, and exploring the many tools available. And that's how to download and install GIMP on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.